Hello guys, happy 2026. So today is Friday, yesterday was bank holidays. So yeah, today we have no news. We have no news. Right now we are in a really good position. Let me just do this. Alright. So ES took this buy side liquidity. Not the all-time highs, this is the all-time high, but took this buy side liquidity and NQ didn't, pulling this bearish SMT. We now rebalance to this bullish fair value gap, sweeping sweeping this internal sell side liquidity, right? So if I zoom in, we hold on, we change the state to the upside, and we ran through this bearish for our fair value gap. So right now I can be very bullish. Look, we tap this for our fair value gap. We just ran through this, and this candle right here, it ain't a sweep. This is a displacement, so we're probably going higher. You also keep in mind we have this bullish for our fair value gap, but I think we are gonna just tap this, the inversion one, and going higher because we have all these buy side liquidity generated, right? So if I go to the 1 hour, as you can see right here, we swept this internal sell side liquidity. We formed the V, you can see a V right here, and we just displaced to the upside, running through these bearish fair value gaps, and we just tapped to change the state again, and we just seek the this internal buy side liquidity, and we are probably rebalanced to then keep moving higher. This is what I'm expecting to. So yeah. Also keep in mind, ES did not sweep this internal buy side liquidity, so this is here is a bearish model, internal bearish SMT, a manipulation. We swept the internal buy side liquidity, or if we just ran through this, I'm probably targeting these fair value gaps, but I don't think so. We just gonna tap this and manipulating and going higher. Also keep in mind, on the overnight session, we just went like 200 points, so I am expecting now for price to accumulate, which is already happening. The price is accumulating right now, because and generally liquidity, because we just pumped all these points on the overnight session. So um, let's go to the 5 minute. What I'm seeing right now is kind of turtle soup to then keep going higher, but we also need to tap this, the big rectangle right here. This is the 4 hour. We need to tap it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, my bias is bullish, even though here is a bearish SMT. Does not mean we are going lower. It just means we probably can rebalance, right? Rebalance lower to keep going higher to seek these generated by sell liquidity, right? And we don't have much sell side liquidity. We just have these field imbalance, right? The only sell side liquidity I'm seeing here is this internal, and probably this one like here. This is the only sell side liquidity that I'm seeing. Alright, so be safe guys, today is Friday. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm done. I took 3 trades guys. I won't do this anymore guys. Okay, I won't do this anymore. What? So let's go to right here. So market opens on this candle right here, and we swept this internal buy side liquidity, and then we just displaced changing the state, right? So I was looking if we could take the London lows, and I took a short, and we just rebalance to this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. This is kind of confusing. And rebalance to this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. And then I really thought we really want to go lower, even though my bias was bullish. So um, ES end up taking the drawn liquidity that I said and manipulated the lows, right? Once ES just ran through this, also NQ did at the same time, we just ran through this bearish fair value gap. I entered my long position, first target right here, and break even. Uh, no, this first target was break even, and this was my first target. It was the highs of our day. And my next target was this one. Why? This bearish daily fair value gap and the buy side liquidity of the Tuesday. All right. So it was pretty quick. It was like one, two. It was 6 minutes of trade. Um, my PNL from today is actually 343. I ended up making 400 plus 250, so 600. And with these losses that I short, like, yeah, makes my PNL 340. So I'm done for today. Easy long, guys. This long was super easy, but the shorts was like, this is my setup for the longs. This is clearly my setup. I took the shorts that wasn't even like my setup. It was just kind of the concepts, but not my setup. This is my setup, and I use standard deviation, but I'm not seeing this as a precision. And also, I was remember this for our fair value gap. This one that we just ran through in the last candle. We ended up tapping it, manipulating, and then we going higher. So bias completely good, drawn liquidity is perfect, manipulation perfect, super easy, super understandable, big displacements to the upside. Like, I just gotta say, man, thank God, easy trade. Let's go, see you tomorrow.